Hello guys, so today we are going to work on the project fake news detection using R programming. So first of all we need to install these packages. Here you can see. So I've already installed the packages. I'll just load the libraries. So after loading the libraries we need to import the dataset. So let's view the dataset. So I have taken this dataset from Kaggle, and in this dataset there are 5000 plus entries, and there are many attributes like the ID, author, published date, title, text, languages, countries, and much more. And after importing the data set, we need to replace this BS and conspiracy as fake for our convenience, because in the data set they have not mentioned the type so that clearly. So after that we need to do it same here for the real, and then we have to count that how many type of real and fake news are there. So there are 5283 fake type and 321 real type. So we needed to apply a function for exclamation and question marks, and then add it into our data frame. So let's do it for exclamation mark, and now for the question mark. So now we have to count how many exclamations are there in fake and real news. So here you can see that there are 8918 exclamation marks in fake and 479 in real. So let's do the same for question mark. So here you can see there are 12,658 question marks in fake and 758 in real. So now we have to box plot for exclamation mark in real and fake, so you can get the idea clearly. So here you can see that there are much more exclamation mark in fake as compared to real. And let's do it for the question mark. So here also you can see that there are much more question marks in fake as compared to real. So now we have to apply this function for finding words in each type, in each text, sorry, and also make a count of each word in each review. Okay, so after this we need to store all words per text in a data frame. So first of all I need to increase my memory limit, otherwise it will show us an error that it could not allocate the vector size of this much MB. Then I will run this. So after storing all the words as per text in a different data frame, we need to plot the bar for number of words of each type. So here you can see that the fake type is much more than the real. And now we have to use the sentiment analysis, which is used for classification of words into different types. So finally the sentiment is generated. Now let's view it. So here you can see there are 10 different columns: anger, anticipation, disgust, fear, joy, sadness, surprise, trust, negative and positive. We only require the last two columns, that are negative and positive, for our analysis. So we are going to store this in the two columns in data frame 1, and then we need to normalize this function for a better analysis. And then we need also to normalize the negative and positive column for better analysis. And then we need to combine this new dataset using the cbind function. And now we have to find the standard deviation and median of negative and positive columns for each type of news. So first we will do for the negative standard deviation, neg underscore hd means negative standard deviation, and POSSD means positive standard deviation. Same here for the median and negative median and positive median. And now we have to create data frames for negative and positive standard deviation and median. So let's do this. Data frame 1, data frame 2, data frame 3, and data frame 4. And now we have to merge the data frames taking transpose of T1, and then we'll get T2. Let's merge the data frame 1 and data frame 2, that is the negative standard deviation and positive standard deviation in T1, and then we get T2. And now let's view T2. So here you can see that the negative standard deviation for fake is 19.24067, and for real it's 21.85466, and the positive standard deviation for fake is 23.87643, and for real it's 28.63300. So let's do the same for median. And now here we are going to merge the data frame 3 and data frame 4 in T3, and now let's view the T4. So here you can see the negative median for fake is 9, and for real it's 13, and the positive median for fake is 14, and the positive median for real it's 16. So here we have come to the end of this project.